Hey friends, this is Ron from Optimized Effects, and in this video we're going to be doing a quick update on all the demo robots that I have been trading for the last 3 weeks, and a little bit of an update on the channel itself and what I've got coming out soon. So without further ado, this is the channel, Optimized Effects. If you haven't been here before, basically I test Forex expert advisors or trading robots and work out which ones are good and which ones are not. I've almost got 2k subscribers, almost there. I haven't broken it yet, but the channel is purring along quite nicely. I'm not monetized yet, so the only way I can make money is if people use my referral links or if I make money trading. So without further ado, let's get stuck into some of the robots that I've been testing for the last 3 weeks. I'm in quite a few Telegram groups and I see quite a lot of different strategies and things thrown around quite a lot, and some of them I like to try, basically because I see that there could be good, or it might be good to try other ways of doing it as well. So in this case, there is a robot called FRZ Indicator Automator. So basically all it is a robot that you can hook an indicator into and get the indicator signals to open or close a trade. So that's what we've done here, and it started off quite well. For the week it made $758, and this is on a I believe this was on a 0.1 lot size open, and there we go. These are the trades that are left over. I've got UJ and GJ and USD CAD. For some reason the trades are getting bigger. I don't know why, but this is what it's done. For some reason the trades are all over the place. Some are quite a big lot size, some are not, but they're not consistent, so I need to have a look at that. And also the other thing is the profit's quite low for the size of the trades that it's doing, and it's currently stuck right now in sells on UJ, and UJ went up obviously on Friday or Thursday, and yeah, we're in a bit of drawdown right now, a bit more than what I expected. So the max was 2,343, and that's where we're at right now. This is the most drawdown that this account has seen since I started a few weeks ago. Right now it's made 758 for last week, and for the month 1185. This one only started a few weeks ago, probably not 3 weeks ago, but a week and a half, and this is where we're at. Next we'll have a look at this new one, which is called Funded Trading EA. I have only had this on for literally 1 day, which was on Friday last week, and it has made $4.31. We're down $5, so there's not really much to talk about with Funded Trading EA. It's too early to tell how it's going to go. Another one, this was someone I got given in my Telegram channel. So it's like a hedge version of an EA, and currently it is in a bit of drawdown, $93, and it made $5 before this happened. This drop, and currently Euro USD is consolidating here right now over the weekend. So not really much to chat about here, other than this is a pretty big supportive area. This is H1, so we've tapped it here. So resistance becomes support, and it's become support again here. So it's likely that it may come down and break down, or it's going to go up. Who knows? I guess we'll find out on Monday. We have, yes, this is rFactor. So this is one I just mentioned in the Telegram channel. So rFactor, I tried to do 1 lot as opening size, and it hasn't done really well at all. It makes a couple of wins and then it loses more than it wins. So we see there that it lost 152 for the week. It's made $165, so it did make a little bit of money, but it did have a loss on the Friday, so not ideal, but all in all, it is profitable for the week. For the month, $269. For the year, $269. Yep, so that's where we're at. This is the Forex Gold Investor EA, and it's only been trading for Friday, and it made a loss, negative 229, and that's all it's done. So I was down $2.10 over the weekend. It has a one order open. It's very, very early to tell. It's only taken one trade, and that was a loss, and the other one maybe a loss too, depending on the spread on Monday when the market's open. Now we have EA Golden Elephant, and this one has been going really, really well. It has got some orders open over the weekend. Not ideal. If it was me, I would have closed them on a live account. But for the week, it made $153. The max drawdown of this robot was negative 277, which happened on the 5th of the 2nd. So that first week of March, which everything just went mad. And for the year, or not for the year, but for the month, it's made $267. This has been trading for about 2.5 weeks, and it's been really solid for trading gold. It's been really, really good, but it is gold, and just be very, very careful. So can't recommend this robot at this time, but it is still too early to tell how good it will go in the longer term. But if you had $1,000, and you were making let's say $153 a week, you'll be break even after probably 6 weeks, give or take, depending on, this is an average. And then if you take out your profits every time, after every week, it could be good. Rightio, and on to the crazy ones, which I mentioned in the Telegram channel. So these ones, I decided to try something different, and these are trading one lot as the opening size trade, and I've got it trading on the H1 time frame, except for this one, but this is Forex Perk. So Forex Perk, it's manual lots, everything else is the same. But we're doing a one lot initial lot size. So that's all I changed. And I did mention that this one made over 50k in the Telegram channel. I was wrong because all of this wasn't open. I just kind of had to guess at what I saw. And for the time that it has been trading for the last 3 weeks, it's made $27,000. The max drawdown, although, which is really scary, was $57,000. That's right, $57,000. And the balance that it started with was $100,000. And I wanted to see how it would go trading one lot on 100k. If you had $100,000 to trade with, would you risk this EA using one lot? And the answer is definitely not. This robot is scary. It has put me in quite a few predicaments on a live account myself. It just cannot handle strong trends. If you get stuck in a strong trend with this robot, it will burn your account. It will blow your account. So just be very, very careful. And the max drawdown that it had was probably where pound USD just did this. It just went up and up and up from the start of March, and there were not big enough retraces for it to get out of it. So we can have a look here that the maximum drawdown was pound USD and USD CAD, because USD did the same thing to both. Euro USD, not bad at all. It's made the most on Euro USD, and it's had the least drawdown. So I think this robot is meant for Euro USD, not meant for GU or USD CAD. So if you left it on Euro USD, it made the most anyway on the H1 time frame with one lot, and your drawdown was only 4%. So the drawdown versus profit is actually green. Rightio. Very random to have a helicopter pass over, but yeah, there we go. So yes, this is Forex Perk. We are trading EURUSD, GU, USD CAD, and for some reason there's EURUSD on M30 there twice. What did I do here? So this one here, it's interesting that I did this, and this is probably why EURUSD has had the most profit, because it's been trading twice. Magic number 92445. Have a look here. Yes, okay. So for some reason, I've decided to put EURUSD on there twice with different magic numbers, and I think the idea was to see which one provided the most profit versus drawdown based on the time frame that it is trading. So we've got EURUSD on M30 and EURUSD on H1. They're both different magic numbers. So what I'll need to do to see which one was better is probably hook this up to FX Blue and filter them by the magic number, and that will give me the answer. So there you have it. That is Forex Perk. Definitely probably don't recommend trading Pound USD or USD CAD. You can see here, like, that's just crazy. This is the H1 time frame, so you know, imagine that. So there you go. It can be a good it's a very good robot in raging situations, merging markets, but anything else, no, not good at all. Right, the last one we have here is this Expert Trader V6, which could be Mike Money's trading EA. I don't know which is right. But the tail of the tape here is that it's made $52,000 in the last 3 weeks. Pretty crazy. However, the max drawdown was $49,000. This started with I started this with a 50k account, and this one is outperformed Forex Perk by like almost 3x. Less drawdown, more profits. So for the week it made $11,000. For the month, $31,000, and for the year, $52,000, which was, it's only been trading for 3 weeks. So there you go. The drawdown figure there is wrong. So what we've got is total profit per pair. So you can see GU is the most, but it had the most drawdown. Followed by EURUSD, USD CAD, AUD, USD, and EuroCAD. And there you go. Drawdown versus profit, EuroCAD, awesome, 7k to only 4k drawdown. But yeah, the max drawdown came from Pound USD because it just went absolutely mad at the start of March. It caught me out on a live account. I think it caught lots of people out, unfortunately. But that's trading, right? That is trading. So that's all I've got in terms of updates for all the robots that are trading on demo accounts. I'll let these ones trade for one more week and we'll see what happens. And as you can see, Pound USD, definitely not probably a good pair, even though it made the most, probably not a good pair to trade using either of these systems, say Forex Perk or the Expert Trader V6. But all the other pairs, you know, has been okay. A drawdown of 49k is definitely not okay, especially if your balance was starting with 50k. That's really scary. It was the most active though, it made the most money, but the drawdown versus profit ratio is definitely not good. Rightio. So what have I got coming up? I've got an update video coming out for the 3 commas, and I'm building an EA for myself to see how it goes. It's kind of similar to Forex Perk, but it does have different parameters. Hopefully it will be a lot more stable than this one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not doing too much in the crypto space. I do have things I could share there. And yeah, but it's been going bonkers as well. It's been awesome. But that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.